Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Video. I hope you all my viewers are fine and doing well. In this collection you see the ideas of Valentine Day decoration. You know Valentine Day decoration is very important and provide the different ideas in a budget form. How to date beautiful people and how to date beautiful for your beautiful home or Valentine Day, and the most beautiful ideas for happy anniversary and birthday and Valentine's Day. So guys, you are interested in this type of video, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Beautiful ideas and beautiful collection for the Valentine's Day. Thank you and keep watching and stay with me. Thank you.